Success secrets. Think like the wealthy. The truth about success isn't in luck or talent, it's in the habits you practice every single day.
Most people think success is about luck or talent, but the real secret is in your daily habits. Imagine thinking like the wealthy. It's not about having money, it's about how you see and use it. Ready to transform your life?
The wealthy know that adopting a growth mindset unlocks endless potential. It's not just about what you have, but how you think. Invest in yourself first, your skills, your knowledge. This is where true wealth begins. Failures aren't setbacks, they're stepping stones. The wealthy view every failure as a chance to learn and grow. Each setback is a setup for a comeback. Use your failures as the foundation to build success. Your environment shapes your mindset. Surround yourself with successful individuals who inspire and challenge you. The wealthy choose their circle wisely, knowing that the company you keep can elevate or limit your success.
The wealthy understand that money is a tool, not the end goal. It should serve your vision, not define it. Focus on creating value in the world, and the wealth will follow. Money is powerful, but only when used wisely.
Start today. Shift your mindset, transform your financial future. Think like the wealthy. Your future self is waiting for you to take action. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Together, let's build a life of abundance.